we talked this in our previous class that I do have 1010 chocolates in binary. Then how many chocolates do I have? I have 1010 chocolates in binary. Then how many chocolates do I have? Yes, Havisha?
Sir, 1001.
1001, I am saying binary, not decimal. Let's find. I'll share my screen. I'll clear all this. So I have 1010 chocolates with me, but this number is binary, it's not decimal. I have 1010 chocolates in binary. Now, how do I convert this into decimal? So for that, remember these rules which I am explaining. Always start with the zeros position. Okay, from this way, that means the right side. Take up this number. In the binary, we have only two numbers. Which are they? Yes, 0 and 1. Correct. You will have always 0 and or 1. So here we have 0 at this place, the first place. Okay. So if it is 0, nothing to do. That means just write 0. Then, so we start from here and then we jump this direction, this way. So next is 1, and 1 is on second position, right? So the position would be like this. So this is position number. This position is 0 position. This is 1 position. This is 2 position, and this is 3 position. You understood this so far? Or is any question in this? Because see, this is very important. If you want to convert decimal into binary into decimal, this position is very important. You all understood? Now at 0 position, we have 0. So we just consider this 0. Now at 1 position, we have 1. So if we have 1, now here comes the binary, the number 2, the power of doubling. If you remember, we discussed that story of Tenali Rama in our previous class where it doubled every time. So here is the power of doubling up, and when it is 1, we'll use 2 and the position number. That means 2 raised to 1. Okay? 2 raised to 1. The position. So this is position. The position becomes exponent. The position becomes exponent, and 2 becomes the base if it is 1. Now we have 0. So nothing to do. 0. And then we have the 1. That means again 2. And what is the position of that 1? What is the position of this 1? 3. Position of this one is 3. So we call it 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3. Now find the answers. What is 2 raised to 1? 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 3. What is 2 raised to 1? 2 raised to 1 is 2. Very good, Avisha. And what is 2 raised to 3? What is 2 raised to 3? Correct. 8. Very good. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Now what is 8 plus, now do the total. What is 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 3? What is 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 3? What is 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 3? Yes, 10. 2 raised to 1 is 2. And 2 raised to 3 is 8. So 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2, 10. And that is the decimal of 1010 chocolates. So that means how many chocolates I do have? 10 chocolates. And we have 21 participants in this class. So I don't want to make injustice to any of you. So I won't give chocolates to any of you. I'll eat all those 10. Okay? Because we are 21, and how do I give one chocolate to each of you? So I'll have to, I don't want to do injustice. So I'll eat all of them. Is that fine? Okay, so this is how we convert binary to decimal. Understood? Now, if you have any question, ask now before we end up the class. Yes, Sarika?
So the first question is, sir, why were you doing always 2 and then the place where it was?
So 2, so this is binary system. And binary, we have 2 numbers.
1 and 2, 1 and 0.
1 and 0, yes. So 2.
So that's why you were doing 2 is raised 2 and 3 and then like 2 and 1.
2 raised to position. Okay?
Sir, I want to say
End the
something.
class. Bye.
Sir, you are already program